Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines of 2nd May for School Morning Assembly. First of all, national news. Telangana MLC Kavita Kalbakuntala slams center over commercial gas price hike. Caught in the act, two arrested while trying to cut open ATM in Maharashtra. 53,942 loudspeakers removed from various religious places in UP police. Face masks could be made compulsory in Maharashtra, Health Minister said. Girl dies of food poisoning in Kerala, 18 hospitalized. And now some international news. Russia reported fire at military facility near Ukraine border. Nandamul Chandani, an Indian origin man who studied at a Delhi school, has been appointed the Central Intelligence Agency's CIA first ever Chief Technology Officer. Pakistan's state-run PTV suspended 17 officials for failing to ensure proper coverage of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's Lahore visit due to the non-availability of an advanced laptop. US House Speaker backs Zelensky in fight for freedom on Ukraine visit. And now some sports news. IPL 2022 MS Dhoni is back as CSK captain after Ravindra Jadeja relinquished the role. MS Dhoni walked out for the toss for the first time since his return as Chennai Super Kings captain on Sunday against Sunrisers Hyderabad. IPL 2022 Gujarat Titans defeated Royal Challengers Bangalore on Saturday. And now let's have a look on weather. Heat wave is likely to abate over Delhi and adjoining parts of northwest and central India from Monday, the India Meteorological Department said on Sunday. The weather on 2nd May in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 34 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 28 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.